Lord Brahma as the universe as per the Hindu religion. Lord Brahma is one of the Holy Trinity in Hindu religion, the other two being Vishnu the preserver and Shiva the destroyer. Any holy pilgrimage was to start with Pushkar and end at Prayag, Allahabad of today for Hindus. Hence a visit to this temple is still considered as very sacred for every Hindu. There are very few temples for Lord Brahma, and the one at Pushkar is considered very holy and sacred by Hindus. A theory states that as the creation of the universe is done with the Lord Brahma is not revered as the other two gods of the Trinity are. Brahma temple is the most important temple in the town of Pushkar. The temple is located in the Pushkar valley at a distance from Nagaparvat. The site of this temple is considered very sacred as Lord Brahma is believed to have performed a yagna here as per the Padma Purana, a Hindu scripture. As per Hindu religion, all 8 directions of the universe are guarded by different entities, and they are referred to as Astadikpalikas, guards of 8 directions. The temple of Brahma is also guarded by 2 of them at the entrance. A small temple dedicated to Kubera, god of wealth and also in charge of north direction, and another temple dedicated to Indra in charge of the universe of Hindu gods and caretaker of the east direction is located at the entrance of Lord Brahma temple. The Brahma temple is a small temple built with marble and displays South Indian architectural style in its form. The identity of the temple of Lord Brahma is the red spire and the image of a Hans or goose considered as the Lord's vehicle. The temple has marble steps leading to the sanctum where a silver turtle engraved on the marble floor is found facing the main deity. The entire floor around the silver turtle and the walls of the temple are embedded with many silver coins. These are placed by the devotees to memorialize their loved ones' births and deaths. The temple walls are decorated with the pictures of peacock, that is the vehicle of Lord Brahma's associate Saraswati or Savitri. The main deity of the temple, Lord Brahma, is of a life-size form in seated posture with 4 faces looking at 4 different directions viewing the entirety of the universe and 4 hands. A Hans or goose with a red spire crown covers the entrance of the temple. A small idol of milkmaid Gayatri is found adjacent to the main deity and is known as Kamurti. A temple of Lord Shiva can be reached through the stairs within the temple located in a small cave.